Welcome to the Before You Begin lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to help you get set up to work with these live lessons videos. First off, we'll talk about how to acquire the code examples that you'll want to run in parallel with watching the videos. Next up, we'll go ahead and talk about installing the Anaconda Python distribution. And one of the nice things about this is, first of all, it's available for Mac OS, Windows, and Linux, and it's super easy to install on all three platforms. But it also comes with a ton of popular Python open source libraries. So you're often going to be able to work with those libraries without having to install them separately. We will, of course, install some additional libraries throughout these live lessons videos as well. We'll talk about the two different package managers which you'll use for installing those other libraries. One of them is called Conda, which is part of Anaconda, and one of them is called pip. And both of them can be used to install packages into your Python system. We'll also talk about installing some additional software that will help you run some of the animations that we provide in the context of what are known as Jupyter Notebooks. Jupyter Notebooks is a great way to work with Python, allows you to combine text, audio, video, images, and live executable code into a web-based document. And it's really the preferred way nowadays to provide people with the results of a data science study or other scientific study in a manner that they can reproduce those results as well. So I do encourage you to take a look, especially as you go into lesson 1, at the test drive of Jupyter Notebooks to become familiar with that interface. I think you'll find it to be a preferred way to use and interact with Python. We'll also talk about getting yourself a Twitter developer account for use in some of the later lessons. And finally, I'll provide you with my contact information in case you have any questions while you're watching the videos.